Hi there everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you're all okay and welcome to December. To all the family members and subscribers, as always, thank you for being here. I do appreciate you all. Please keep the comments coming, and if you are able, don't forget to hit that like button. Right, I was in Aldi the other day and I found these Highland Game Venison Meatballs. Italian style with pork, a hint of oregano and crunchy black pepper. And that's what it looks like, and this is £2.49. You can fry them or grill them. I've actually done mine in the air fryer. 10 minutes in the air fryer at 170. The ingredients are 56% venison, 15% pork, water, pea flour, pork fat, salt, spices, rubbed herbs, garlic powder, preservative, sodium metabisulfite, antioxidant, sodium ascorbate, sodium citrate, flavouring, preparation, herb and spice, acid and citric acid. The allergy information is there, should you wish to stop the video and take a look. These are gluten free and there's 300 grams. Stay there. As you can probably tell, the Christmas tree is up. I'll just show you the Christmas tree. Got the little nutcrackers there. And as we move up, there's a bat, some Krampus baubles, which is a shout out to my Goth past. I do like the Krampus ones and the bats, I've got to say. And here are the meatballs, folks. This is what they look like. They do smell very Italian, I've got to say. But as always, it'll be down to the taste test. So, here we go, folks. Here are the venison meatballs. Show you what they look like on the inside. And that's what they look like, folks. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but venison's a little dear, isn't it? They are very, very meaty, very, very tasty, perfectly seasoned. Absolutely full of flavour. It's an absolute delight. They really are. There's no gnarl, no nastiness. just absolutely perfect. Again, these will be absolutely perfect in a bolognese. They're just so tasty. They're absolutely gorgeous. Very meaty indeed. Absolutely packed with flavour, as I say. I would definitely buy these again without any shadow of a doubt. You get 12 of them. Absolutely delightful. I will be buying them again. I can recommend them to you lovely people out there. 10 out of 10 all day long. Superb. Right folks, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for future uploads, and if you've not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Won't cost you a penny. Helps the channel grow and to become part of that bigger community. As always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have an absolutely brilliant Monday everyone. I'm now going to enjoy the rest of these. Bye for now. We'll just zoom in on the Krampus ball. Bye for now everyone. Have a lovely day.